So let me start our VMware virtual machine. It starts now. File, new virtual machine. Custom next. Select file, where is the file? Haiku 90, anybody? Open. Next. Other 64-bit. Next. Increase the RAM. Some more. Next. Power on the virtual machine. Skip the remind me later. Now finish it. Hard disk, split, other devices, network, net, other 64-bit, where it is saved. So it will start power on the virtual machine. Finish. Okay, the full screen mode. Okay, the OS starts Haiku and it is running on and running and and it starts. It's welcome to Haiku. Thank you for trying out Haiku. It will like it you. Key map internationally. Okay, English. We will run installer. It is information. Welcome to Hydro installation. Some about it that's all information are there. So we will continue. No partitions have been found that are suitable for installation. Please set up partition and enter the at least partition B file system. Then type OK. Go to setup partitions. Select virtual hard disk drive. Go to partitions where we have to partition. It's 8 GB 640. Okay. Partitions. Go to format and B file system where the file systems have been saved. It should be continue. Name virtual machine VMware initialize. Write changes. The partition will have been successfully formatted. Now go back, close the window. Next, onto the please choose target VMware virtual machine. Now press the begin button to install Haiku on VM virtual hard drive. Begin. So it starts 401 files. Install in progress. It's all going on. Performing installation. So its tools setup boot manager has been completed. So it's going higher. Speediest. It is the speediest OS that can run faster ever. So it is installation has been completed. Boot sectors has been rotated. VM virtual hard drive. Please restart. So we will restart it now. Okay. The mouse pointer goes to the restart. And it's restarting. The VMware starts. Now Haiku is operating system is opening on and running and it starts. And it started. Oh, the desktop has been arrived. Now we will click the leave menu about Haiku. The all development informations have been covered out. It is 33% 71 used, 3 minutes 25 seconds. Give you the full information of the Haiku, some copyright, some 2001 2018, the websites and all. Thank you for doing that. So we will last we will power off. Thank you.